We're gonna be alright.
As you can see, I've done my foundation and my powder and everything off camera. All I have left is my eyes and my lips. So what I'm gonna do is a nude eye and some red lipstick. My eyelids are already prepped. I'm going to take my Alien palette, which I just got in my Jeffree Star mystery box along with other goodies. From the Alien palette, since we're doing a subtle look, I think I'm gonna do Phone Home on my crease to use a Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to pick some up and I'm going to place that on my crease. So I've blended out that crease. Since I'm going to be doing a red lip, I don't want to add too much drama to the eye. So we're going to keep it very subtle. I'm going to do Gravity from the Jeffree Star palette. And I'm just going to use a flat shader brush to apply that to my lid. As you can see, that is a very nice nude color. Depending on what you like, you can just do mascara, you can do some eyeliner, you can do some lashes. Now I'm gonna do some mascara. I'm gonna get started with my lip combo. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty lip contour in the shade Heartbreaker. But that's done, I'm gonna put on my Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the also color Heartbreaker. The first layer of lipstick, you want to blot your lips. I have actually a little trick that I learned a long time ago. If you ever want to make your lipstick non-transferable, I get a little bit of my translucent powder and then I just pat it onto the lips like that. Looks weird, but it's translucent powder, so it'll become translucent and you won't be able to see it, but it actually helps. I mean, it still transfers, it's still lipstick, but not as much as it would if you don't apply it, and it actually makes it last longer and look very mattified. Depending on your style and the type of makeup that you like, you can add eyeliner to this, lashes. I'm pretty satisfied with the look. I really like this. Now let's move on to the next look. This other look is gonna be for my girls that like to do pink. It's so cliche to do pink, but it's cute. It's Valentine's Day. That's the whole point. Probably gonna do a halo eye for this look. I'm gonna use my mini James Charles palette. I'm gonna mix single and skip. I think I'm going to put skip down first and then do single on top of it. Using my BMX 466 shade brush, I'm going to be placing this on the inner and outer corner of my eye. Now with my Lexi mini flat angled brush, I'm going to add single on top of where I just put the pink and blend out. You must make sure the shape you are making is flattering to your eye shape. Not everyone has the same eye shape as I do. This small blending brush, I'm just gonna diffuse the harsh lines at the top. Now I'm gonna put the shade Sister from the mini James Charles palette. If I don't like it, I might pick up my Huda Beauty nude palette. Just as I thought, this is not what I was going for. I'm still gonna do it to the other eye, even though this is not the completed look. Picking up my nude Huda Beauty palette, I'm gonna do Daydream, and I might just do it with my finger. That's much better. Now going back in with the other previous brush. With a very small brush, I'm going to pick up that Daydream color again, and I'm just going to put that on my inner corner. I don't think I want to do liquid eyeliner with this look, but I'm definitely going to put on some lashes. I'll do that off camera. When I come back, I'm going to put on something on my lips. For this look, I wanted to keep it in the pink circle, so I'm going to use my Morphe Guide Me lip liner. This is the pinkest you're going to get from me. I'm not a super pink lipstick or lip liner kind of girl. This is pink to me, but I did just get my Jeffree Star lip gloss in the color Succulent, so I thought this color with this eye would look super cute over a nude lip liner. So this is my first time trying a Jeffree Star lip gloss, so I'm super excited. So this is the completed look. I really like the lip gloss. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Okay, for this next look, we're gonna make it a little sexier, a little more sultry. So it'll be darker colors like dark browns and blacks. So let's get started. I'm gonna take this dual-ended brush. I have like a fluffy side and then a pointy side. I'm going to use the side to apply the Cowboy from the Jeffree Star Alien palette. And I'm going to apply this like a cat eye. I'm not putting it all the way down here because I'm gonna put black there. Taking my Luxie mini angled brush, I'm going to pick up Pound Home. Going back to my dual-ended brush, I'm going to pick up Black Hole from the Jeffree Star palette. Put that right under where I put Space Cowboy to give it like that smoky cat eye effect. I'm done applying the black. I'm gonna go back in Space Cowboy because I don't want it to get lost under the black. For my under eye line, I'm gonna do Space Cowboy just on the outer end. My brow bone, I'm gonna take the shade Titan from this palette. For my lips this time, I'm gonna use a Morphe lip pencil brush again, and I'm gonna use the colors 50 to take my Buxom lip cream in the color Hot Toddy. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know anything else you want to watch. Happy Valentine's Day. Be safe in every way possible.